Hi friends, it's me, Molly G. So today, it's going to be my first video for my new series called Snack Slaps Summer! Woo! And I just got out of school. Yesterday was the last day of school, and I got out so I won't have to deal with homework anymore. So I know you guys were wondering why I wasn't making a new video. That was because I was either spending time with family, practicing for singing lessons, which I already have, and I could have also been doing homework, but now we don't have to do homework anymore because yesterday was the last day of school. That means no more homeworks, no more LTAs, and no more critical thinking quizzes for me. So today I'm going to be comparing these three things. So it's fruit roll-ups, fruit by the foot, and Gushers. So if I like it, I'm gonna keep eating it, and I'm gonna give it a slap. And if I don't like it, then sorry, no slap for you. All right, so let's get started. So this is what I'm gonna be trying. This is a fruit roll-up. It has pretty packaging. This is a fruit by the foot. So it's a foot long, which is 12 inches because 12 inches equals a foot. So it has green packaging. And these are Gushers. And I feel like they're gonna be cube shaped, but it has yellow packaging, and see, it looks like paint right here. So if I like it, I'm gonna give it a slap or a clap. And if I don't like it, like I said, no slap for them. And I'll just keep snacking on it if I like it. So, what should I try first? Did you guess fruit roll-ups? Then you're right. That is what I want to try. So, let's crack it open and take it out of the package. Whoa. And these things don't expire for like years. Whoa. Whoa. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's like a rainbow. So, this looks so good. And this is what I eat. So I guess I'm gonna be eating this fruit roll-up. There better not be plastic. Well, there is, but I better not suffocate from accidentally eating the plastic, but I probably won't because I have a big brain and I'm so smart, and I'm 13, so I'm gonna eat it. This is good, and it feels kind of plasticky, but it's not plastic. This is plastic. Do you guys want to bite? Do you want to try it too? Well, this is like sticky, but it does not stick to my fingers. Here, have a bite. It's a little bite for my little fans. I need to finish the whole thing. This is too good. Oh, I like the blue in there. I love blue. It's my favorite color. All right. At least there's no plastic. Just this yumminess. So sweet. This is cool. So that was fruit roll-ups, and I already gave them a clap. Now let's try, what should I try now? If you guessed fruit by the foot, you're right. This is a fruit by the foot. Woo! This looks yummy. I'm gonna try it. This is a foot long. It's yummy, and I'm gonna finish eating it. Wait a minute. Hang on. Oh, I forgot to give you guys a bite. Here, you can have this much. Nice. And look, it rolls like a yo-yo. This is yummy. I love it. And it gets triple slap. And I forgot to tell you this, but it has blue and pink, like Elsa is blue, Anna is pink. Those are my two favorite colors. Now I'm gonna keep eating it. But first, we need to unroll it like a yo-yo. I don't even know if that's how to do it, but. All right, guys, so that was fruit by the foot. Now let's try Gushers. This is my last thing I'm trying. And I can't wait. It's kind of hard, but kind of hard to open, but. Whoops, I dropped a few. Luckily, none got on the floor. Hey, look, there's a blue one and a red one. Now, what's that liquid stuff in there? It's good. Do I swallow it? Would you guys like to try too? The green one and an orange one for you guys. Love it. I'm curious about what the liquid stuff is there. So that was Gushers. They're so good. But now it's time for my final thoughts. So I think I like the Gushers the best because they come in many different colors, and fruit by the foot is fruit roll-ups is second, and fruit by the foot is third place. So I loved it. Let me know in the comments what you guys liked the best, and if I hit 200 likes, I hope to do a collab with SSSniperwolf. And yeah, so that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let us know what was your favorite out of all three of these colorful snacks. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!